Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at an XLR USB microphone by Samson, the Q9U. I will go over specs, features, and provide audio samples. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, a USB-A to USB cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Going over some specs, this microphone can be used via XLR or USB. It's ideal for podcasting, streaming, broadcasting, and live recordings. It's made of zinc alloy steel. It has a cardioid polar pattern, a frequency response of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, 1/8-inch output, zero latency headphone monitoring, low cut filter, mid presence boost, a mute button to control both USB and XLR outputs, dual layer windscreen, and it's plug and play, no driver or installation required. And again, this has a cardioid polar pattern that will pick up sound directly in front, which is ideal for streaming or voiceovers. Taking a look at the microphone, it has some weight to it and comes in at 2.1 pounds. It feels solid and well built. You can see the foam windscreen that will help eliminate plosives, and underneath that you have the dual stage grille that protects the capsule and helps reduce wind noise. On the side of the mic, you have the branding along with the mute button. On the bottom, you'll find the mid-presence boost switch, ideal for spoken word applications. You have the headphone jack for monitoring and the male XLR connection along with the USB connection. And right below that is a low-cut filter switch. It comes with a mount that swivels and you can attach it to a boom arm or a desktop stand. Samson also offers a desktop stand as well if you want to go that route. Now for some audio samples. I'll start off with the Samson Q9U and then I'll switch to the Sennheiser MK4 for a bit of comparison. There will be no EQ or post-processing that will be applied. Now you're hearing the audio from the Samson Q9U. I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rosebush near the porch steps. Now you're hearing the audio from the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rosebush near the porch steps. Now back to the Samson Q9U. This is with the mid-presence boost on. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the audio from the Q9U with mid-presence boost on. Now this is with the low-cut filter on and mid-presence off. The audio from the Q9U. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. And finally, this is the audio with both mid-presence and low-cut filter on. This is the audio from the Samson Q9U. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, hopefully you heard some differences between the Q9U and the MK4, along with the mid-presence and low-cut settings. Also, during the duration of this video, the audio you were hearing was from the Samson Q9U. My thoughts on the microphone. The build quality is solid and it feels made of quality. It's plug and play and no drivers are required and you can be up and running in no time. I like that you have the option for XLR or USB. The audio is clear and clean. There's some warmth to the sound profile. It does a good job of blocking a lot of the noises. For the price point, it definitely has some good value and the sound delivers in my opinion. So that is a look at the Samson Q9U XLR USB microphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.